So, rumor has it that it is possible to actually cook and eat stinging nettles. And I've never eaten a stinging nettle before, surprisingly enough, but I want to try it and see how it tastes. So we're out here today looking for stinging nettles, so keep your eyes peeled. I just passed a lot of them. What am I talking about? Yeah, they're all right here. I just passed them all. Now I can't just grab it because it will sting and it will not feel very nice. So I bought these. It's harvesting time. Ugh, I can still taste the sea salt from my last video. Ugh. Okay, that's plenty. Now I did hear online that you do need to give them a rinse before anything else, so I hope I have enough water for this because I only have my bottle. I'm gonna hang this up here while I get everything else all sorted out. So I don't have my tripod anymore because it broke, so that's why the camera is very low. I wish I had my tripod. Alright, you know the drill, we can skip this. Alright, so now we got our fire going. It's well, it's taking its time, but yeah, it's going. Anyway, so yes, I got my pot and my water. So I'm gonna rinse these guys off and then I guess cook them. Let's get to it. Yep, they're stinging nettles alright. Alright. If these turn out good, I'll cook the rest later. Probably would have been easier if I did this at home, but where's the fun in that? Now, we play the waiting game. Let these cook for around 5 to 10 minutes. The heat will deactivate the stingers and they become edible. Perhaps I should have started with those ones because that's smaller. Oh well. Oh, wow. Alright, let me see if they still sting. This is stupid. I can't tell if that stings anymore. I don't think it does, but yep, I think they're about finished really. Alright, I'll just take these off the heat. I'll leave that there. Now I need to drain the water. I did this right, didn't I? They still kind of sting, but not really. Alright, let's give them a try, shall we? I got a piece right here, so... It's good to eat. Wow. I'm genuinely shocked. That's actually quite nice. Well. Cover me in spikes and call me a prick. It worked. So that's it. Mission successful. Very good. I gotta cook the rest of these when I get home. But yeah, thanks for watching everyone. And I will see yous next time. Oh, here, my kin, I'm gonna eat the rest of this.